so much attractive as you might be saying. But what is inside, I am going to tell you. Change. What we have to change. What we like to change. And what we want to change. Let us see. What do you think is most important to change? Administration, cell members, teaching methodology, class representatives, mess canteen, infrastructure, faculty, dress code. The answer to this is we have to change ourselves. We have to change our mindset. We do only complain that this is not working, this is not happening in our way, this is not moving in our way, this is not going in our direction. But we are not finding the solution. So we have to change our mindset. And how this is going to happen? We have to change by changing our attitude. Today, attitude is the most important word in English dictionary. Why? Because attitude tells us that if we have the positive attitude in us, we are dependable. And dependable is a very crucial thing. You know why it is a crucial thing? I will give you an example. We all know about Muhammad Ali. He is a great fighter. How he became the great fighter? Can anyone tell us? Anyone tell me that how he has become the great fighter? I will tell you how he has become the great fighter. What he has done, that before the fight, he used to say, I'm the greatest, I'm the champion. I'm the greatest, I'm the champion. I'm the greatest, I'm the champion. But did it made him a champion? No. You know how he performed? How he used to say like this? See, he say like this, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest, I'm the greatest. So he was practicing by saying this. He was not only saying, he was practicing, he was actually doing it. He was imitating it. See, saying is only 10% of things, but doing is what we concern more, 90% of things. What we need to change is our complaining nature, our ego. Many of us who are sitting here, they are feeling that I will be not able to stand here. I want to ask you everyone that if I can stand here and if I can say my point, if I can say that these are the things which I would like to change. I would like to change ourselves. I would like to change the perspective. Why can't you come and stand here and say, yes, I want to change ourselves. I want to be positive. I want to move forward. Now how this can happen? Saying is very easy, but doing is very hard. It's true. But we should have that courage in us to come and face the challenges. We should have that courage to come and meet those failures. See, failures are the pillar of success. We have heard many times, failures are the pillar of success. Failures are the pillar of success. Nothing is impossible. But do you think what is impossible and possible? But have you worked on it? Has anyone worked on it? Yes, it is possible and we should work on it. I want to say one thing more. That institutes are not big because they are big. It is big because the students who are reading there, the students who are performing there, they have made the institute big. They have made them live. They have turned their dreams into reality. And what I'm just here because I want my dreams to turn into reality. And if I turn my dreams, why can't I turn your dreams to turn into reality? Know your talent. I would like to say that I was among one of them. I was sitting at the back bench and watching the show. I was watching the show. I don't have courage to move forward and sit and face the questions, face the guest or face the lecture. I was one of them who was not able to ask questions. That I was thinking that if I will ask the question, I will feel myself backward. That I'm asking this kind of question because everyone is much more talented than me. But what happened is that I got this platform. I came here. I came to judge myself. See, the mistakes which we do here can be countable. But when you will go outside, and perform. And where you will do mistakes, it is not possible. Speak less, do more. Speak Yes, I am speaking more. But actually I am speaking more because of you, because I want that each and every student, each and every 140 student should speak like me. And think that if speaking can be the 10% of part and doing the 90%, so if you have covered 10%, why not you can cover the 90%? Thank you. Okay, Rome was not built in a day. I want to say this because I want to justify my point by saying this.
Once or twice is fine, but I think we should try it. I mean, we should know where is the dysfunctional limit. What is the dysfunctional limit of any act? I think we should know that. An act up to a point is a fun.
Rome was not built in a day. I want to say that any institute is big because it is not because of its infrastructure. It is not because of its administrative. It is because of we students. We students make the institute big. How? We participate to other colleges to show our talent there. We participate in our college to make ourselves perform well. We take our talent from inside and bring it out here. We all do this. Why? To make ourselves progress to this level. And if each and every student can progress to this level, then it can automatically progress the institute. If we can hold the walls of institute, if we can hold ourselves, we can bring the level of the institute high. And this is my dream, and I will turn into reality. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
No, great presentation, great thoughts, and I think a great deal of passion behind what you want to do. I can see that. Correct the sentence, speak less, do more, speak more and do more. Okay, leaders speak a lot. Okay, thanks.